I'm going to record the very first song that I ever learned how to play. And that was Chopsticks. And I actually learned how to play it on a little bitty keyboard that was like, I don't know, for a 2-year-old. But my great-grandmother, who died when I was 6, taught me how to play it when I was 4 years old. And so I dedicate this song to her because had it not been for her, I wouldn't have started playing. So I hope you enjoy and let me know what you think.